Yeah, THG Automation is a welding and cutting robotics provider. We provide customers that normally wouldn't have bought traditional automation with welding and cutting systems for their various manufacturing operations. We're a Universal Robots partner. We have a great relationship with them and love their platform, and that's where we provide the capabilities for the robot to execute the welding operations. Coordinated motion really is taking the 6-axis robot and allowing you to add additional axis outside of that so that you can manipulate parts and the robot will sync up with the axes, so the timing is coordinated within milliseconds. So there's things that we normally couldn't weld because you'd either have to rotate it, weld it at 2 different times, where we can do that now with coordinated motion. We've got dozens of customers that are looking for this. For instance, if a customer wants to do hard facing on duct work, they can do that now with complex shapes. If a customer wants to do helix, screw shapes, augers, centrifuges, now they'll be able to do that because of the coordinated motion functionality. So Universal Robots really gave us the functionality through the program interface, and then we've taken that and we've created this user interface so that the customer can take what they're familiar with and now add this additional functionality. They'll be able to maintain the weld process during the rotation of the part, which will eliminate the non-value-add operations. We always say, throwing sparks is money, or when you're not welding, you're not making money, right? So if they can move the part and execute the welding process where they normally would have stopped welding, rotate the part, and then start welding again, or if they have to stop cutting in order to rotate the part to achieve the reach they need to continue that cut process, those are all value adds that they wouldn't have had before. So it's huge for productivity and ultimate bottom line. I can see double-digit improvements in the productivity of a system. This will open up a lot of doors, and we'll have a lot of customers. Traditional automation is not going to give them a platform that's going to be easy to use, and they may have failed before because it was just too difficult. We think that this coordinated motion, the Motion Plus package that Universal Robots is providing, along with our software, is really going to be a game changer in the industry. Doing single-axis coordinated motion really introduces our customers that haven't ran robotic automation a lot before anyways. That's a good stepping stone into the multi-axis coordinated motion, where you have tracks and rotational positioners working together with the robot all at the same time. So I think their minds will be blown on how useful it is. Working with Universal Robots on the Motion Plus functionality, they've worked with us hand in hand on getting us software updates so we could work on our piece of it, and we've sent back input. From a development standpoint, it brings me back to my days with traditional industrial robots, that I feel like that this is traditional industrial robot, 2.0 maybe.